The cost of care has changed as your insurance evolved. Healthcare has moved from becoming just a personal constraint and something that impacts you and your family to also becoming a very high financial impact item in your financial plan. You would find that inflation on healthcare has ranged between 13 to 14% per annum for the last many years, and in certain years has been in excess of 15% per annum. What this has essentially meant is that something like cancer, for example, which earlier would cost between 10 to 15 lakh rupees for treatment, now costs in excess of 50 lakh rupees. A similar story can be seen with many critical illnesses, where it's very common to run on pills ranging from 30 to 40 lakhs and going significantly higher. In addition, if you do choose to get yourself treated internationally because you feel that certain types of ailments may be better treated there, the costs are many multiples of this. A lot of times, there is a belief that a 5, 10, 15, 20 lakh insurance coverage may be adequate, but that doesn't seem to be the case anymore. And therefore, a 50 lakh to 1 crore rupee cover may no longer be a luxury, but a necessity. So, how do you actually protect yourself from this challenge around the higher cost of care? Number one, preventive care. One of the big things that needs to happen is with the evolution in preventive care, paying attention to that area could be very useful. For example, you now have genomic tests which allow you to predict earlier some challenges that might emerge. You could have fitness rings, fitness bands, wearable devices that actually give you an insight in terms of what's happening with your health. And of course, what you may also end up finding is that on your insurance policy itself, you have a preventive maintenance, healthcare ability to be able to do that free of cost because it's built into your cost of the year. Take advantage of it. The second thing you may want to think about is look at whether your super top-up policies are robust enough. One of the things that does tend to happen is that a base cover that has been bought many years ago very often remains where it is, in spite of inflation coming in. And you now have super top-up covers, which can be a very reasonable way for you to enhance your overall insurance coverage. Number 3, look at customized policies. You are seeing over a period of time that insurance companies are innovating with allowing you to pick features that may be relevant to you in your lifespan and age span. And therefore, these policies, which are popularly called DIY policies, could actually be a place where you pay attention to and look for covers which are relevant to you and your family. Last but not the least, you do have global health insurance covers also now available, wherein you can actually get the ability to have much higher sum assured, so that in case you choose to get yourself treated internationally, that is also an option. The number of companies offering these covers has evolved over a period of time. And if you do believe that as a globally mobile individual or family, you want to explore these kind of covers, you should be thinking about it very deeply. All in all, taking care of your health and preparing for it financially are both going to be very critical for your overall financial plan to remain in shape.
Disclaimers. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BUSL and certification from National Institute of Securities Markets, NISM, in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. The information is only for consumption by the client and such material should not be redistributed. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. This material is for information and educational purposes only.